Hello friends, I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. Today we are going to learn about fractions and decimals. So let's start our lesson for today. In our last class we completed division of fractions. In this class we will start with decimals. We have learned about decimals in our previous classes. Let us recall what we have learned. Now you can see the table. It has columns of 100, tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, thousandth and finally the number. Now in the thousandth column we have seventh, in the hundredth column we have fourth, in the tenth column we have 1. Now similarly in the ones column 3, tens column 5 and hundredths column 2. The original number that we get is 253.147 मतलब 100 टेंस और वंस का 253 बना और 14 और 7 का 147 डेसिमल के बाद लगा. सो इसका एक्सपेंशन होगा 2 इंटू 100 प्लस 5 इंटू 10 प्लस 3 इंटू 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 110 प्लस 4 इंटू 1 अपॉन 100 प्लस 7 इंटू 1 अपॉन 1000. सो एक्सपेंशन ऐसे ही होगा कि डेसिमल के बाद जितने नंबर हैं उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन उनसे होगा. 1/10 से होगा, 1/100 से होगा और 1/1000 से होगा. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. जॉन हैज़ 15.50 एंड सलमा हैज़ 15.75. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, बस एक क्वांटिटी है. हु हैज़ मोर मनी? टू फाइंड दिस वी नीड टू कंपेयर द डेसिमल नंबर्स ऑफ 15.50 and 15.75. नाउ हाउ कैन वी कंपेयर? We compare the digits on the right side of the decimal point starting from the 10th place. We find that 5 is smaller than 7. So 15.50 will be smaller than 15.75. Thus Salma has more money. Easy. If the digits of the 10th place are also same, then we compare the digits of the 100th place and so on. While converting lower units of money, length and weight into higher units, we need to require decimals. So why do we require decimals? To compare or convert higher units into lower units. For example, 3 paisa will be equal to rupees 3 upon 100 will be equal to rupees 0.03. Similarly, 5 gram will be equal to 5 upon 1000 kilogram, which will be equal to 0.05 kilogram. We also know how to add and subtract decimals. For example, 21.36 plus 37.35 is equals to 58.71. हमने वैसे ही ऐड कर दिया जैसे हम किसी भी नॉर्मल नंबर को ऐड करते हैं. ऐसे ही हमें डिफरेंस निकालते भी आता है. द डिफरेंस ऑफ 29.35 माइनस 4.56 इज इक्वल्स टू 24.79. सिमिलर जैसा हम नॉर्मल किसी भी होल नंबर को या इंटीजर को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, सेम चीज़ हम डेसिमल में अप्लाई करते हैं. Now, multiplication of decimal numbers. What is multiplication? Reshma purchased 1.5 kg vegetables at the rate of 8.50 per kg. How much money should she pay? Now see, रेशमा ने 1.5 kg कुछ भी खरीदा, मतलब कोई वेजिटेबल्स खरीदे, उसको उसने पे किया 8.5 रुपये पर kg. नाउ उसे पता लगाना है कि उसे कितने पैसे पे करने हैं. इसके लिए से क्या करना पड़ेगा? सर्टेनली शी हैव टू डू 8.50 इंटू 1.50. उसे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. बोथ 8.5 and 1.5 आर डेसिमल नंबर्स. सो वी हैव कम अक्रॉस अ सिचुएशन वेयर वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई द डेसिमल नंबर्स. सो लेट अस लर्न. फर्स्ट वी कैन फाइंड 0.1 इंटू 0.1. 0.1 into 0.1. Well, 0.1 can be written as 1 upon 10. So it will be 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. We know what is 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. It is 1 upon 100. And 1 upon 100 can be written as 0.01. So आपने कुछ देखा हुआ क्या exactly? The fraction 1/10 represents one part of 10 equal parts. जैसे मैंने अभी fractions में बताया था, अगर कोई 10 parts हैं उसका मैं किसी particular one part को count करूँ तो वो 1 upon 10 होगा. We know that 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 means 1/10 part of that 1/10 part. 10 boxes हैं, उसमें से एक box 1/10 हुआ और उस box का एक part 1/10 of 1/10 हुआ. समझ आया? So divide the 1/10 part into the 10 equal parts and take one part out of it. Similar, the dotted square is one part out of 10 of the 1/10 part. This represents 110 into 110, which is 0.1 into 0.1. While finding 0.1 into 0.1 and 0.2 into 0.3, we might have noticed that the first we multiply them, the whole numbers, ignoring the decimal points. First we multiply the whole numbers, we ignore the decimal points. So that will be 1 into 1 or 2 into 3. Okay? Then we count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit towards the left. We then now find the decimal point and put it there. Now what? हमने काउंट किया कि कितने डेसिमल पॉइंट्स थे, फिर हमने राइट मोस्ट से स्टार्ट किया काउंट करना और लेफ्ट मोस्ट पे गए और जितने डेसिमल पॉइंट्स दोनों नंबर में थे उनके सम को हमने जो प्रोडक्ट है उतने डेसिमल पॉइंट्स के आगे लगा दिया. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स टू बी काउंटेड इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय एडिंग द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स टू द राइट ऑफ द डेसिमल पॉइंट्स इन द डेसिमल नंबर, देन दे आर मल्टीप्लाइड. ओके. Example, the length of the rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Well, length of the rectangle is 7.1 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, the area will be 7.1 into 2.5. Well, we will do 71 into 25 and then we'll put decimal between two decimal, between two places. Why two places? Because 7.1 has one place and 2.5 has one place behind the decimal point. So the product will contain two places behind the decimal point. Answer will be 17.75 centimeter square. Multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Reshma observed that 2.3 is equals to 23 upon 10, whereas 2.35 is 235 upon 10, and thus she found that depending on the position of the decimal point, the decimal number can be converted into a fraction with denominator 10 and 100. किसी भी नंबर को 10, 100 और 1000 से अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो नंबर के जो डिजिट्स हैं वो सेम रहेंगे, बट डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट हो जाएगा राइट में. जितने जीरोज होंगे उतना शिफ्ट होगा. Finally, last topic of our chapter, division of decimal numbers. Well, now we have learned multiplication, so division will be easy. Let us find that division of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Consider 31.5 divided by 10. Well, 31.5 divided by 10 will be equal to 315 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Why? 31.5 can be written as 315 upon 10. Which will be further multiplied by 1 by 10 as it is being divided by 10, okay, which will be 315 into 1 by 100. Answer will be 3.15. Let us see if we find a pattern for dividing the number by 10. It is easy. 31.5 divided by 10 will be 3.15. 31.5 divided by 100 will be 0.315. and it will be divided, if we divide it by 1000 it will be 0.0315. मतलब डेसिमल्स पे जो है वो शिफ्ट होता जा रहा है और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहा है. We can say that while dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000, the digits of the number and the quotient are same, but the decimal point of the quotient shifts towards the left by as many places as there are 0 over 1. Division of decimal number by whole number. It is same, no difference. We will divide the number by the whole number and then we will put the decimal point to its perfect place. Okay. 12.96 divided by 4 will be 1296 divided by 100 divided by 4. Answer will be 3.24. क्यों? जितने decimal places हैं हम 100 के वो बाद में लगा लेंगे, पहले हम division कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Example, find the average of 4.2, 3.8 and 7.6. 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6 divided by 3. हमने तीनों नंबर को प्लस किया, डिवाइड बाय 3 कर दिया. आंसर आएगा 5.2. Division of decimal number by another decimal number. Well, this is also as easy as it was by whole number. We have 25.5 divided by 0.5. 25.5 can be written as 255 divided by 10 and 0.5 can be written as 5 divided by 10. So, 255 divided by 10 divided by 5 divided by 10, it is 51. Thus, we did the multiplication and division simultaneously. This was the end of our chapter. Hope you enjoyed learning. Today we learned about multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. Hope you enjoyed learning. For any further information or you have any query, kindly go to the following links.